All right, so y'all wanted to see a day in the life. So I just finished a session for a new client, and at the end of that session, you know, of course I did what I teach all of you to do, which is assuming the sale. So I essentially said, okay, so let's set up your next appointment. And then she was like, actually, I'm gonna get a package. And so I just sold a package for $1,170. That's $1,170. So that's just to show that it is possible. I wasn't even expecting to do a day in the life today, but I might as well. Let's do it. Today's kind of a busy day anyways, and maybe there's something that I could show you or tell you that could be helpful for you in your practice. So I have a little bit of a break before my next session. I'm actually gonna go back home and grab my iPad. I use it for a lot of different things that has to do with my business. It's just really helpful to have. The cool thing about my iPad, which I'll show you in a minute, is that I bought it with business credit, and even the phone that I'm using to film this video I bought with business credit. I do have a business credit masterclass training, and if you'd like to be notified when that is released, I'm gonna leave a little link below so that you can be notified, so you can get in on the deal for that. But I use it a lot in my practice to buy a lot of different things, new equipment, if something breaks, just a lot of different things. I'll probably be able to film my next session. I wasn't able to film my first one just to respect my client's privacy. Okay, so I have my iPad with me and we are on our way to our second session of the day. Something I was just thinking about is that, well, I didn't realize how much I missed like doing sessions and stuff until I wasn't doing sessions, you know, after I had my baby. So when I was about 7 or 8 months pregnant, that's when I really got serious about, you know, hiring people who I could train and work with and trust. And so I wasn't doing sessions as much after that. And it wasn't until maybe 6-7 months later where I started taking sessions again. And now I'm kind of back to doing more sessions. And, you know, I used to have days where I would do like 5 mobile sessions in a day. And actually, like, at that time, yeah, it was somewhat tiring, but I forget how much I love just like going through the city and meeting with these different people and building relationships with these clients. Like, I don't know, maybe I'm feeling nostalgic. But yeah, just be grateful when you are busy. When you are busy, be grateful for that, because there can be times where things get stagnant, you know? This is our table. I always keep plenty of water in here. So now I'm just gonna go grab the sheets, and then we're going to go up about a couple flights, but I think they have an elevator, so it should be fine. I have to carry this up. Luckily there's an elevator here. Sometimes there's no elevator and I have to carry this table up several flights of stairs, and honestly, I feel like my agility is just going up and up and up the more I do this. Fun fact, I used to put my business cards in this elevator and would actually get calls from putting my business cards in here. But I see they took them down. All right, so we just finished another session. Now I'm about to run over to this coffee shop because I'm meeting a friend for lunch. Yeah, maybe I'll put on the screen what I'm making for these sessions. Oh man, I'm out of breath, y'all. That is done. We have a few more things we need to do today. Now we're about to pull up to lunch with my friends. Probably not gonna be filming a lot of that. And then we're gonna do some administrative stuff. So it's a full day. I need to be doing it more too. Oh. I figured this is a busy day, might as well. So here's a fun fact. Anytime I go out to eat, especially with another business owner or on a day that I have appointments or any type of meeting, I always use my business credit card or my business debit card, and it gets written off because that's a business expense. So that's a fun fact. So that was an amazing meeting with my friend. Just so much. I love talking to other business owners, and yeah, that was just an incredible conversation. So glad I got to talk to her. And actually, while we were at lunch, got another payment coming in from an appointment that was just completed by one of my team members. So now we're about to check in on another appointment. Yeah. So because I misscheduled an appointment, I actually didn't have any further appointments for the rest of the day. So what I did, I went home and worked on some administrative stuff. I'm going to put on the screen how much I made for that day. That was April 24th, 2022 when I filmed this. So I'm just going to put a screenshot there. Also, if you follow me on Instagram, you already know who that is. Yeah, so go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you don't already, and subscribe and like this video. And also, I really appreciate the feedback that y'all have given me on my content. So you just got to keep letting me know how I can help and serve you, and how I can help you get to that next level in your massage business, because I really don't believe that there's any excuses for not taking the time to work on your business, grow your business. Y'all remember, I started mobile. I am a mobile massage therapist. Only now I am expanding into having a actual space. And so I started with very little money. I started with $500, $497 to be exact, and was able to reinvest my money into the business, grow the business higher, so that I don't have to spend all my time just doing massage. I can spend more time growing this business and other projects that I have going on, and spend time with family, and get to be at home with my baby, and so many different other things. So there's really no excuses. I put out a lot of free content, and I also have a very intimate mentorship that I offer. So I really am putting in the work to help you all really get to that next level, because it's 2022 and I want all of us to do well. I don't want us to be underpaid and overworked working at these franchises and working for other people when we could be working for ourselves. So that's my pep talk for the week, and you can expect more of that, on my Instagram, on this YouTube. And I'm just gonna go ahead and close out this video. Thanks for watching this far, and go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope everyone crushes their goals for the week. I'm about to spend time with family, so I will see y'all in the next video. Stay well. Bye.